Hello friends, today I'm taking you inside the Dove soap factory. You're about to witness the complete soap making process from start to finish. Watch how simple raw ingredients turn into premium beauty soap. Powerful machines and advanced technology make every step amazing. From mixing to shaping, every stage is precise and fascinating. You'll be surprised by how perfectly each soap is created. Stay with me and enjoy this incredible factory journey. The most satisfying part is still coming ahead. First, the animal material is carefully processed and cleaned for the next stage. Then the fat is separated and purified with great precision. Now powerful heavy machines are extracting the oil from it. This oil becomes one of the key ingredients in making Dove soap. The transformation from raw material to soap is truly surprising. Every step is handled with advanced technology and expert control. Watching these machines in action is absolutely fascinating. Stay with me, the soap making process is getting even more exciting. Look at how much oil is being extracted from the processed fat. This stage is one of the most important parts of soap production. Next, special ingredients are carefully added to the oil. The mixture starts becoming thicker and more refined. This is where the real soap-making transformation begins. Powerful machines control every detail with perfect precision. You can actually see the texture changing step by step. Today we are going to create soap in many different colors. Right now, the white soap base has been poured into special containers. This is where creativity and factory precision come together. Soon, different colors will transform this simple base into beautiful soap. Every batch is prepared with care and expert control. Watching this transformation is truly satisfying. The factory process is becoming more exciting with every step. First, the soap mixture is shaped into perfect cubes. After drying, it moves to the next important stage. Then it is processed into fine powder for better blending. This step helps create a smoother and higher quality soap texture. Powerful machines mix everything with incredible precision. Every stage is designed to achieve perfect consistency. The transformation is fascinating to watch from start to finish. The more effort we put into the raw materials, the better the soap quality becomes. Every ingredient needs proper care, mixing, and perfect processing. High-quality products are never made without hard work. This is the real secret behind premium soap production. Every extra step adds value, softness, and better results. That's how trusted brands create products customers love. Quality always comes from dedication and precision. Just look at the material, it has become thick, smooth, and beautifully shiny. This is the moment the soap mixture starts looking perfect. The texture shows the quality of every ingredient used. Powerful machines and careful processing create this amazing result. You can actually see the transformation happening in real time. This stage is one of the most satisfying parts of production. The soap is now getting closer to its final form. Today we're not making just one Dove product, we're creating an entire beauty collection. From the Dove Beauty Bar, Original, to the Dove Sensitive Skin Beauty Bar, every product is made with care. You'll also see body care products like Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash and Dove Coconut Milk Body Wash being prepared. Premium skincare favorites like Dove Intensive Care Body Lotion are part of this amazing process too. Each formula is designed for softness, moisture, and skin care. Advanced factory technology makes every product with precision and quality. Watching so many Dove products being created is truly fascinating. Stay with me, more amazing products are coming next. The soap cubes are now being cut with perfect precision. Every piece is shaped carefully for the next important stage. After this, the soap mixture will be placed into special molds. This is where Dove soap gets its original and iconic shape. Powerful machines handle every detail with incredible accuracy. Watching the transformation is truly satisfying and amazing. The soap is now closer than ever to its final form. Now tell me in the comments, which soap is your favorite? Let's see what our viewers prefer the most. Don't forget to share your favorite product below. We produce a large number of products every single day. This factory works with speed, quality, and consistency. After this, I will show you soaps in many different colors. Each batch is created with care and precision. Advanced machines help us maintain high production levels. Every product goes through strict quality control. The process is fast, efficient, and truly impressive. The white soap is now going through final packaging. Each piece is carefully wrapped with precision and care. This is the last stage before it reaches the market. Now the products are ready for sale and distribution. Every soap passes strict quality checks before shipping. The factory ensures perfect presentation and hygiene. Soon, these soaps will be available for customers.